Alright, so this is a new Descale tankless water heater. In this case, it's the Rheem Performance 18 kilowatt, the model, and it has two heating elements. So I'm just using a very, very affordable pump that I bought on Amazon, which I'm gonna be posting the link down there, down the video. And I didn't buy any expensive stuff or any chemicals, so what I'm using is just regular all natural distilled white vinegar. It has 1.32 gallons. I'm using 3 of this for that 5-gallon bucket, you know, regular Home Depot bucket. So also you are gonna need regular washing machine hoses, these 2 hoses, and of course these 2 flushing valves that I installed on my tankless water heater. Of course, if you don't have this, you can just disconnect from there and do the flushing. For this, the first thing I did was cut the power. Once you cut the power, close the main valve that is going to the water heater. Then I will close this. This is what I did. I closed this, which does not allow anything from going from here, going from the water heater, this solution, going back to the main system in my house. So close the main, close this valve here. Then you're gonna open this, which is gonna allow the vinegar to get inside the heating elements inside the water heater. And we come back here, the outlet, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna shut this off, this valve, which is not gonna allow this vinegar going through the my water system in my house. So you close this, but you open this. So what we're doing here is we're getting the vinegar out through this valve. It's going inside the elements, it's cleaning the elements, and then it's coming down here to the bucket. So very simple, easy process. If I can do it, you guys can do it too. Okay, I would say the total cost will be about $60 to $65. I'm not sure, maybe you can find a cheaper pair of hoses. I don't know, that depends on the price of this. This vinegar costs like 3 something at Costco, and the pump was around $45. Bucket costs like $5 at Home Depot. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.